Hi traders, today is 11th of October 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market, WTI NYMEX, CLX 9 November contract 2019. So at this moment we are on the short sell position from my London session signal, which is a live broadcast from my uh, Telegram channel. You can find the link below in the description. So I did short at 54.35 and TP target is 53.78. So I had to revise my stop loss at this moment to reduce it because we already hold this position. It's quite long in case the price reverse back, so I need to be more careful. So I will send out the signal to revise the stop loss to be the trailing stop, because we already twice on the 300 US dollar in profit, but the price still remain try to reverse back, so have to be more careful. There's one large volume waiting here. I'm still expecting for the market to go further down, so this is the revised stop loss 67. I will send out the signal any moment from now. So in the larger time frame, this is how it looks like. We did enter the market at 54.34 on the average price level. If the price try to reverse back, and I had to prepare for the exit just in case. So we had profit both until 54.10 or 54.12, somewhere there around 22 ticks. So about 440 US dollar profit floating just now, but still the price try to reverse to the upper side, so I had to be more careful in case the price reverse back. So this is on the smaller time frame. As you can see, still on the bearish price movement. If you are using the VWAP at this moment, you can see that the price still remain below the VWAP, and the profit now is around 100 US dollar in profit. So let's wait patiently. In 10 minutes time, US session will begin. Hopefully the price penetrate further down in a short period of time. Looks good. There's a big red candle can be seen here on the larger time frame. This is what we want. This is what we really want. Try to break this is the lowest low at this moment. If the price try to reverse back, maybe it can oh shit, let's take a look on the smaller time frame to see what actually happened. It's not really good. 15 minutes before US session begin. So time now is 8:45 a.m. in the morning, New York time. I hope I can capture it live. The market will burst further down. So this is my expectation. It will further much more faster run. So about the TP. So the TP is been targeted somewhere here. It's not really far. Should be around 54 or 55 ticks. So about 550 US dollar in profit per contract size. So I've been in the market with 2 contract size, and there's a high possibility to reach 1000. So the profit now is 420, as you can see from my PNL. 420, 310, sorry, 380, 380 at this moment, waiting for it to burst further down. 400 US dollar in profit. Okay, back and remove one stop loss. Just to reduce my risk. It looks good. In 5 minute time, should break further down. That's what I'm hoping. It looks good at this moment. Price try to break further down. In 2 minutes time, US session will hit in. I'm expecting the large volume will hit the market. Okay, price did breakthrough. Now we are in the US session. As you can see that there is spike downwards, but the price try to reverse back. So need to be careful. The profit now is already exceeding 400 just now. Still waiting for the market to stabilize because of the US session. Kicking time now is 9 a.m. in the morning. There's a high volume. Okay, looks good. So I will keep this video recorded without my voice. I need to entertain my son for a while. Testing. Jom. Adik Mimi keluar makan dulu. Oh, return lah pula. Ambil. Nanti jatuh. Ayah. Cầm. Makan lu. Jangan, nanti muntah. Makan dulu tak boleh lagi Nanti Mimi tu keluar balik. Nanti keluar. Tak mau. Duduk dia, tak mau lompat. Makan dulu, sit properly. Makan dulu, duduk. It looks good. We are reaching 500 US dollar in profit. Price keep remaining to the bearish side on the larger time frame. So I need to be careful. Hopefully the price goes further down, but I think better to use a trailing stop. If the price reverse back, then we can exit the market and take a small profit only. But it depends. There's also possibility for the market to shoot directly to the downwards movement. So next candle. Okay, price drop further down. Looks good. We are 740 US dollar in profit. I think I will exit my position, although my target is a bit far, but looks good. I don't want to hold anymore because today is Friday. Okay, we are reaching 120, 140, 120. Oh yes, they already hit profit of 800, and hopefully today can gain some more. Hopefully. So I need to play with my sons. He's waiting for me. I think I will exit early. Ah, same 800, same as yesterday. Should be now. Should be now. So let me send out a signal. I already exit. Now the price drop. Should the price really drop further? The target is 75. I really drop further. So I better remind other traders. Good profit already. Okay. Hopefully they got the message. Oh, we hit. We hit. This is 75. The target earlier. Oh, was a good one. Was a good one. I exit a few seconds early. If I maintain it, then show 1000 plus. Okay. Okay, I think that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, and comment below. So there's a link for my live signal broadcast. Feel free to click on it on the description. Okay, I think that's all for today. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.